Hi everyone, in this video I'll be letting you know how my perspective change has helped raise money for my car fund. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel about building a kit car and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below and share with others on social media. So if you haven't seen my video called How to Raise Money to Buy a Car, Life Choices, please do so since this is an update on how it is working. Now, I've been trying to raise money for a long time for doing personal projects, and after every month I would have no money saved. And I'm pretty frugal. I don't spend money on drinks, I don't buy chewing gum or coffee every day, and there's not a lot of knickknacks lining the shelves of my house. So there's plenty of opportunity to raise money, but it never happened until I changed my perspective. I had to really get excited about something, and that something became a Factory 533 Hot Rod kit car. The human mind and spirit work in a very cool way. If you think about a lemon, your mouth waters. In other words, your body does not know the difference of reality or not reality. So if you keep thinking about buying this car and being grateful for the money you are saving or being grateful for the things that you are selling off to raise money for this car, and you do it every night and morning, then it is always in the back of your head and in motion. As soon as I made that switch, I have raised thousands of dollars, and fast too. And 1 week, 500 here, 20 bucks there, 100 there. It's been amazing. So I'm happy to say I'm well on my way to buying my kit car outright, not financing or putting it on a card, just raising the funds and getting my ducks in a row so when I do pull the trigger, I am ready to roll, totally free and clear. Till next time, please hit the subscribe and notification buttons and have a great day.